Hi everyone, it's Cain here. Welcome to my video. So in this video I'm going to give you guys a little truck update / review of the Nomad 100. For those of you who don't know, it's a solar panel. Lightweight, portable, only weighs like 10 to 15 pounds. Reason why I got it, also I didn't want to put a roof rack on my truck. Drill holes, use screws, nuts and bolts, you know, because over time, when you go off-road, it's most likely going to rattle if you don't tighten it, and I didn't want to deal with all that. I just got the Nomad 100. It folds small so I could stash it in the truck, put it on my window shield, and charge my Yeti. Simple as that. Very happy with it so far. Haven't had any complaints. When it's sunny days out, I put it out, taking advantage of the sun, getting some energy, getting some power. Like I said, overall it's just a good solar panel. Now I was also thinking about the Boulder suitcase. You know, the suitcase you just fold out, but in the end, honestly, I'll just be worried about people stealing it. Also, if I got the one on the roof, like the Boulder 100, the regular one, that's a big reason why I didn't get those, because I would worry about someone would keep an eye on it and try to steal it, because people know the value of those things. Nomad 100, it's flat, just put it on my window shield, tie it up somewhere, there you go. Obviously I'm going to stay in the truck while I'm getting power. Anyway, I'll show you guys it right now. Hope you guys enjoy my videos, leave comments, hit the bell, subscribe, enjoy. So this is how it looks when it's folded out. As you can see, now I got bird shit all over my truck, but there you go. Charging my Yeti right there. I'll show you guys how it looks fold up. So the charger just folds up as so. You have a cool little compartment in here for it, along with two other little areas to put stuff in. Just like that. So like I said, only weighs like 15 pounds. And there you go, guys. And there's also a magnetic strip right here, so it closes. I didn't really close it right. There you are. Yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. Leave a comment. Like I said, subscribe. Until next time.